What is going on? So we're over here with Nick and the Coyote Swap single turbo Centennial GT, and we're gonna try to start it. So everything is hooked up. We got the big old turbo ski right there. Precision turbo.
Don't forget the 6R80.
It's 6R80, Gen 2 Coyote, fuel system ID 1050X, tuning with Lund. So we're gonna try to see if we can get this thing started up today, which would be awesome. He also has the drive shaft in.
Big drive shaft.
So Nick has figured out a secret. This is a bolt-in drive shaft, but not a custom one. So literally, he just bought this and swapped out the rear flange, and it works. So it's 6R80, tubular K-member, beautiful fabrication on this turbo kit, and we're gonna try to start it. This car has been a project for a while now.
A year and 2 months.
So
since it ran with a turbo 4-valve.
Try to get it going. Lund's doing the tuning. They had to swap the firing order, and this is using not a control pack. It's actually using what, F-150 wiring?
It's using a 2011 GT PCM, and they have to do a couple special things in the tune, timing related at cold start to get it to work. But Lund and Power by the Hour are the guys making it happen, and you know, we're gonna see if we can get this thing roaring tonight.
Hopefully, dude. I'm excited.
Don't mind my voice, I'm a little sick.
Alright. Fresh plugs. Gas? Give it some gas. Who knows? What's wrong? Why working? Nada. Troubleshooting step 1. Can you hold that? Try to hold that. Alright, let me know when you're ready.
Should be in the seat. Yep. Hang on. Do it again. No spark.
No spot.
Let me add a ground wire to this thing real quick.
Got this big old turf ski in the way. And downpipe. So we're chasing some ground issues. Hopefully that's why it's not getting some spark. Fortunately, it looks like we're having a hats issue. The BDX. So this is the code it's getting, P1602. So usually that's a PATS issue. Oh man, another day. We'll have her going.
Yep. You gotta just figure out some stuff with Lund, tune related.
Yeah, it's probably PATS. I mean, that's what it says. We've tried clearing the code and it comes right back.
Only one thing won't make it spark like that. It's usually ground or PATS.
Yeah, we checked all the ground.
Especially if it's throwing in a mobilizer code anyway.
Yeah.
Then you gotta let that ECM run, PCM run.
Yep, so hopefully should be going. And I'm gonna steal this seat.
You gonna touch that seat, boy.
Alright, we're gonna hop in the Cobra, get some E85, Go to the meat later. Fuel system prime. There it is. The E85 struggle. We're getting low, but we're also getting close to the station. There's only one close to me, and that's the one in Daytona. So we're almost there. We actually, one of the exits shut down for construction, so we had to go by the station. And I'm like, no, I'm gonna run out. Gotta get some E85 in the tank. Oh boy. Oh, that looks like E15. How'd they put that there? That's E85. Much cheaper than 93. Alright, so we made it to the meet with the Cobra. Logan's out here. We got the ProCharge Beast. Oh boy. The ProCharge Beast.
What's up, Drew?
What up, man?
What's going on? How are you?
Pretty good.
Oh, you see?
How's the Beast? I saw a full roll cage. Oh my gosh. Oh, we need some light in here.
Yeah, you can't see it. It's hard to see in there.
Man, you're just going full race car.
Yes, sir.
Nice. Uh-oh, it's by Lee. Mr. Lee. Anthony and his Terminator. Terminator squad tonight. AJ's Fox.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, the quad tip has arrived.
Yeah. That's why, but his,
Oh boy.
I think this is, his
Uh-oh, what are you doing in here?
Getting my hoodie.
Where's the bottle?
The bottle? What bottle?
Now, I can see
It fell
that
off
you're
again.
in race car mode when
Yeah.
you're missing your deck lid. Like, how much weight do you shave off doing that?
About a pound.
Honestly though, Nick just dreamt of turbos last night after driving the Bullet.
Strictly turbo. All
Just
night.
turbos.
All night. And at work, which probably isn't the best thing, but
You had so much fun on that thing last
Yeah.
night. Shut that rice burner up.
What is going on?
Yo, why is there circles on the taillights?
Honeycomb.
Honeycomb.
I have no idea.
All right, Quinn, let's hear it. Yeah, it's pretty loud. Uh-oh.
And I like that.
The three Cobras.
Like that.
Oh, man.